This is Zingiber officinale, known to most as ginger. It is a root cherished for its fragrance, its fire, and its manifold healing virtues. In Ghana, the Akan name translates as ache medicine. It is a fitting name for a plant that soothes inflammation, aids digestion, and helps the body absorb iron for the blood. Unlike chilies, which rely on capsaicin for their heat, ginger's burning warmth comes from gingerol. This compound offers a heat that heals, yet it is a fire that can also be used to punish. In some traditions, this fire was used as a severe form of discipline. A ground ginger pulp might be applied to a young person as a burning penalty for perceived indiscretions, a painful ordeal that demanded a silent, stoic endurance. Yet those who wield the ginger are not above using it on themselves. It is dried and applied discreetly for health's sake, an act of medicine that requires no small feat of courage. But imagine trying to administer such a cure to a creature as vast as an elephant. The sheer quantity of ginger required would be impossible to gather. From this imagery comes the wisdom of the elders. There is not enough ginger to make a suppository for an elephant. It is a proverb used for those who lean on us with too many expectations. It reminds us that while love makes requests, it does not issue impossible commands. True affection does not force the hand or scorch the spirit into obedience. It asks and waits for a willing answer. Do not be the one who asks for the impossible. Respect the limits of those you love. Discover the intersection of nature and human conduct in my book, Botanical Wisdom from West Africa, available now on Amazon.